Make money by Paithon. Paithon is a high-level programming language that is easy to learn and use, and it can be used to create a wide range of applications. While Paithon itself is not a direct source of income, it can be used to create applications that can generate revenue in a number of ways. In this video, we will explore some of the ways in which you can make money using Paithon. Creating and selling applications. One of the most direct ways to make money using Paithon is by creating and selling applications. You can use Paithon to create a variety of applications, such as desktop applications, web applications, and mobile applications. Once you have created an application, you can sell it through a number of channels, such as app stores, online marketplaces, or by selling it directly to customers. Offering freelance services. Another way to make money using Paithon is by offering freelance programming services. If you have experience with Paithon, you can offer your services to individuals or businesses that need custom programming work done. This can include creating new applications, updating and maintaining existing applications, or providing technical support. Creating and selling plugins and add-ons. If you have experience with Paithon and other programming languages, you can create plugins and add-ons for existing applications. For example, you could create a plugin for a content management system, CMS, that enhances its functionality, or an add-on for an e-commerce platform that improves its payment processing capabilities. You can sell these plugins and add-ons through online marketplaces or directly to customers. Creating and selling courses and tutorials. If you have experience with Paithon and are a skilled teacher, you can create and sell courses and tutorials on the language. You can create online courses that teach beginners how to use Paithon, or more advanced courses that teach specific programming techniques or applications. You can sell these courses through online marketplaces or through your own website. Building and selling websites. Finally, if you have experience with Paithon and web development, you can build and sell websites. This can include creating custom websites for businesses or individuals, or building and selling pre-made website templates. You can sell these websites through online marketplaces or by selling them directly to customers.